Do you know why master magicians, illusionists and mentalists can perform their miracles so easily and superbly entertain their audience? It is because, apart from being great entertainer and showman, they have also mastered the fundamental principles of magic, illusions and mentalism. If you want to become a master magician, then you should also strengthen your foundations too. Presenting the Foundation Course in Magic and Illusion by
Satya Datta,
founder, International Academy of Illusion and Magic. In this course, learn and become an expert in the base principles of magic. You may be an absolute beginner with zero knowledge in magic, or you may be a mid-level performer of magic, or you may be an advanced professional in magic and illusions. This online magic and illusion course has superb content for all. This course will not only sharpen your base fundamentals, but will also give ideas to take your magic to the next level. This course is structured in such a way that you will able to master the miracles step by step easily from one place without having to spend huge amount of time and money and practice to master the basics. The only practice that is required is the practice to make your presentation better. Once you practice the basics, your imagination is then your only limit. You are then ready to impress the world with your talent. The applause you will receive and the happiness you will get is beyond your comprehension. You will feel that you are on top of the world. This course has 32 videos with more than 2 hours and 20 minutes of contents plus bonus effects, all in easily explained short videos. This course will strengthen your fundamentals in coin magic, card magic, magic with everyday objects like match and matchbox. It will help you master silk magic, rope magic and help you create your own illusions. The mentalism part is so powerful that it will convert you into a master mentalist. Even if you are an advanced magician, telepathy across room and city will amaze you and your audience beyond your wildest imagination. Remember, learning a trick is not enough, that you may learn it from anywhere. Showmanship and how to entertain like a true magician and make people happy and surprised is what matters the most. Even one trick superbly performed can make you a master magician. Learning magic helps keep the brain active and gives you new thoughts and ideas, which makes you more confident. Many a times, learning magic has proven that magic can act as a healing tool to heal some of the physical, mental and emotional conditions. Learning magic also helps you in your personality development and may give you an extra edge over others. Magic is also a superb medium to fascinatingly share your message across. Once you become proficient in magic, magic can become a stream of your active or passive income, both full-time or part-time. So convert yourself into a miracle worker and be on the path to become a master magician and illusionist. Enroll now. Click on the link below. Hurry. Limited enrollment available.